Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HoneyBook account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link or connect your Gmail to your book account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First up guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Gmail to HoneyBook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, jumping between your HoneyBook and Gmail can be kind of annoying. So if you connect to your Gmail, you can message directly from your HoneyBook. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Honey account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HoneyBook account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link your Gmail, up here on the top bar, you want to click on Tools. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here, Integrations. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see this section here called Email, and you want to click on the Connect button. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and click here, Connect. Okay, next, Google will open up the browser, and you want to choose which Gmail you want to connect to your HoneyBook. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Okay, once you do that, Google's going to warn you that you're about to share information with HoneyBook. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on Continue. Okay, next you need to choose the permissions. For me, I'm going to go ahead and select all, and then I'm going to click on Continue. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes back into my HoneyBook. And as you can see right here, email integration, it's going to show your Gmail address right here. So now I can go ahead and send emails using my Gmail inside of HoneyBook. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Gmail to your HoneyBook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.